There you go.
Now it's red down here too. It could be.
And we got a red dot. Good deal. All right, everybody. How are you guys doing? Terry Tyler here, and I'm taking you guys on another podcast. People have been following me on my quest for the past, 13, 15, 10, 15, 20 years now. And it's all about learning. I found out, in the new economy, how are you going to make money? Creative economy. People are like, man, where's the money? Where's the secret to wealth? The gold, content is king. Man, it's like, hey, it all goes back to value proposition. You make money by giving somebody a service. You're giving somebody something that they don't have, right? If you want to make $1 million, improve the lives of 1 million people. All right? So what I'm doing, I'm teaching you guys how to make money. Now, through my quest, monetization, creativity, personal branding, what we do is we are creating the content that you, the consumer, are watching, okay? And we're not just feeding you BS information. This is information that you can actually use to create something that is meaningful and valuable in your life. So we create the value proposition. So therefore, you're a walking bankroll. You're made of money, but you have to steady every single day. Let me show you. This is the GMO radio right here. It was built a long time ago, and I don't like them no more. I don't know. But pretty much, this is historic boom. And we're talking about YouTube, monetization. How can you get people to follow your brand? How can you create a brand? Well, the first thing is giving something that people can use, turning them on to something that's actually going to help them. You've got to instruct people. Like in this case, I'm instructing you. Create an account. Go forward. Do these things. If you're not creating content, you're consuming content. Is that right? So, pretty much, what I'm trying to say is, there's givers and there's takers. If you take, and give, you're just a taker. And I spent most of my life like that. And that's a hard place to be. As a giver, it's much more rewarding. You can't give somebody something you don't have. So, to give somebody knowledge is the best gift to give anybody. And knowledge, what we have here today, free enterprise system, we have what's called the internet, YouTube. You're watching me right now on this platform. Go ahead and click subscribe below. This platform, what we have here, you can learn anything. You're only limited by infrastructure, governmental law, whatever preconceived notions you've cooked up in your head. So, what I challenge you to do is set yourself free and think about what you can give people instead of what you can take from people. And when you figure that out, you're on the path to prosperity. But this is the coolest part. Take a look at this. That there is a UH-1 Huey. Vietnam War. Like my buddy here is a veteran. God bless you for your service. These guys fought and died for the country. So piss ants and hippies like me can record videos like this to people like you and get paid for it. Do you believe that? I'm not lying to you. But here's the coolest part. Here's the coolest part yet. We're educating you people because you got to choose these people fought and died for a principle. That you guys have a gift. You guys have freedom. Don't piss it away. If you're urinating it, you're just pissing it literally down the commode. You're not giving your country what you can give it. You're not giving yourself what you can give it. And they need you. Soldiers need you. And you got to realize this is a war. This is a war right now. America is not the only country. There's 200 countries out there. There's more than that. And we need the best, the brightest, the ingenuity, you know, the rock'em sock'em revenue, you know, people watching this. This is money. Content is king, but you don't want to just talk a bunch of bull-ass information. So, I think we've hit about 5 minutes in. What I want you guys to do, if you're watching me right now and you're just a content consumer, go ahead and start making the commitment today to be a creator. And create you a YouTube account if you don't already have a YouTube account, and subscribe below. And then from there, start thinking about ideas about how you can give something back that's constructive, that's actually going to benefit the people around you. And when you do that, you're going to be on the path to making America great and making yourself great at the same time. Peace.